Good morning. I'm in Tiberias, northern Israel. Right behind me is the Sea of Galilee. I just got to Mount Arbel. I'm going to do a hike. I should see some nice views and hopefully an ancient fortress. So let's check it out. Yalaletgo. Okay, a little unexpected, but yeah, you have to hold on to these bars, or these cables rather, because it's really steep. And I'm gonna have to turn the camera off, but I'm going down this to where they are. Just came from up there. You kind of zigzag your way down, and then you see these, it's like a ladder basically, and then you walk down this way. And now I'm stuck in traffic. That's the Sea of Galilee. I'm hoping to climb this mountain. I'm not sure. Someone just told me that there's not really much of a path to get there, but we'll see. I'm gonna follow all trails as long as I can, and if it doesn't work out, I'll come back to the fortress. Up here, they lived in all these caves. You can see the fortress all along there. Above me, all that scaffolding, and across this way, and all that up there. Is a 17th century fortress built by the Ottoman Empire. So you can see all the way up there. It goes across and down. It was 4 stories tall. I'm going to show you a picture with the description. I just came out through here. This is the only part from the caves that I just walked through that still has the fortress still built around it. To my right is the Sea of Galilee, and to my left are a bunch of cows just hanging out eating. Keep walking and seeing these big piles of poo, so I was wondering which animals I'd find, and here they are. Hey guys. It's the end of April. I'm doing this hike right now in about 85 to 90 degree weather. It's beautiful. There are birds chirping the whole way through. Everything's green and there are a bunch of flowers all over the place and butterflies. It's really gorgeous. I mean, besides the history here, besides the fortress on the side that I was just on, and then behind me also here on this mountain that I'm hoping to climb, just a lot of flowers, and you get to see the Sea of Galilee and the city of Tiberias. It's really beautiful. I mean, obviously, the Tiberias and the Sea of Galilee are rich with history. I mean, pick a Western religion. All right. I came from up there by the fortress, made my way down, then back up a little bit, and made my way to what's called the Hamam. This is the ruins of a Turkish bathhouse. So I walk off trail like, I don't know, 20 feet. And I'm like, oh, what's in this cave? Probably nothing. But I was wrong. Hey, buddy. So I tried to go to the other side of that mountain over there, which is no longer visible. It's called Harnitai. Behind me there's a Druze village. And then over here you'll see all this green is just a bunch of different orchards. And that's the Sea of Galilee. If you drive around, you do a loop, the whole area surrounding the Sea of Galilee is beautiful. You'll see orchards of a bunch of different type of trees and a lot of vineyards surround this area. Most of the Israeli wines are made up here in the northern region of Israel. All right, so I'm here on the northern part of the Dead Sea now. You got this mud straight out of the ground here. This is the best scrub you could have. You just put it all over yourself and you wash it off. Your skin is so smooth after that, you can't believe it. It's nuts. All this is like mud and salt mixed together. Look at this. The way it's congealed, like it's just this is hard already, but see here. See, it's all like clay basically. I'm gonna go wash this off. Yalla, let's go. I told a lot of my friends about this place, the Salt Islands here in the Dead Sea, and I noticed that even Israeli friends of mine are like, oh, where is it? Where is it? Can you show me on the map? And I'm like, it's right there. So I'm gonna put it into this video, basically how to get there. So you start off in the hotel area, the second hotel area. Let's say the Daniel Hotel is right there. I'm gonna go with that one because my name's Daniel. So you stand right in front of it by the sea, the Dead Sea. So if you're facing the sea and your back is to the Daniel, you're gonna turn right. And then you're gonna keep walking straight. Right now they're doing construction. I don't know when you're gonna see this video. It could be that they're gonna finish the new hotels by then. But it's where this new construction is. So if you're looking at the hotels, you see Spa Club, Daniel, Israel, and then it's right after where Israel is, where the new hotel is gonna be. In that direction, I'll show you. Okay, see, now we made it a little bit farther away from the hotels. It's not far at all though. About a 4-minute walk. And then right in front of us are what's called the Pitriyot Yam Hamelach. In Hebrew, translated to English, is the mushrooms of the Dead Sea. But they're just basically salt islands. I don't know if that's what they're called or whatever, but they're right here in front of us. All right, so I'm in the water now. As you can see behind me, those are hotels. You see the Daniel written in Daniel Hotel from right here. So you know you're in the right place if that's what you see. Come hang out, don't spend too much time here because the salt will turn you into a prune. If you have any like really deep scrapes, wait a little while because it's gonna burn. Yalla, let's go. You completely float. Ready? Hands and legs up. I'm floating to the very top. Completely floating. I won't go down even if I can. I brought a friend along with me to the Dead Sea. Who's it? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Look at these little feet. He's so cute. Hi. Easy. Easy. חמוד. איזה חמוד אתה. I'm wearing a little baby shark shirt.